Hello students, in my last video you already know about number system like what are natural numbers, what are whole numbers, what are integers. Okay, so now uh, you already learnt in your previous classes so how to draw a number line and how to represent the numbers on the number line. I think you already learnt, but here just I show you or I recall what you have learnt in your previous classes. Okay, so let me draw a number line. This is number line. So this is the reference point 0. Okay, this is the reference point 0. The right side of the 0, all numbers are positive. You know that. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Left side of the 0, all numbers are negative. Those are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on, etc. Okay, so here I'll choose the any three numbers. Any three numbers I'll choose. The first one is -3, -1, 4. Okay, so I'll choose -3, -1, 4. See this order. So this is in the ascending order. Okay, ascending order means smaller to bigger number. So here -3 is smaller than -1, -1 is smaller than 4. So this is in the ascending order. Remember, this is in ascending order. Now you can write these numbers in descending order. What is descending order? So bigger to smaller. Write bigger to smaller number. So here bigger number is 4. Next one is -1. Next one is -3. So this is descending order. Descending order. Okay. Remember, this is ascending order means smaller to bigger. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So let us do one activity. So just one smaller activity. So first draw the number line. Instead of numbers, I write alphabets from the first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. So here I write any two numbers. Any two numbers. For example, this is -3. This is -2. So what about the other numbers? So now we have to find out the other numbers. So we know that I'll give here three numbers, -3, -2, so that the G is which number? -1. Yes. H is 0. I is 1. J is 2. K is 3, 4. So see here. This is -3. So this is -4. This number is -5. This is -6, -7. So here I'll give only two numbers and find out the other integers, or I'll give here two integers. You have to find out the other integers. So other integers are, this is -2, then the number will -1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'll give here some numbers. Okay, for example, 7, -1, -2, 8, and -6, -8, 9, 9 and 11. Okay, these are integers. Just write the ascending and descending order in your homework book. Okay, just write the ascending and descending order of these two. Okay, so in your homework you solve and send to me. Okay. So you know about the integers. What are integers? Integers are the set of numbers which includes positive and negative numbers and 0. We know that. Now if you have a operations with integers. The operations means you know that basic operations are addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. You know that. So if we take the operations on these integers, so I'll take the first example. So here I'll take the two integers, for example plus 2 and plus 3. So adding these two integers, so adding means the sign will plus. This is the plus is the operation, this is the two integers, so this operation will do work on these two integers. So plus 2 plus 3 is we get plus 5. When two positive integers are added, we get positive integer. The sum is positive, remember. Okay. So if you adding negative integers, this is minus 1 plus minus 3. So minus 1 plus of minus 3, we get minus 4. When any two negative integers are added, we get negative integer. Okay. Third one is, so if you are adding one positive integer and one negative integer, this is positive integer plus 3 adding to the minus 5. So what will be the sum? The sum is minus 2. So here how can we write minus? It's a very simple. Here the bigger number is 5. Okay. The sign of the bigger number is minus, so that in the sum the sign will minus. Remember that. Here the bigger number is 5, so that the sign is minus. For example, this is reverse it. Here this is minus 3, this is plus 5. So what will be the sum? Sum is plus 2, because here bigger number is 5, the sign is plus, so that the sum will also plus. Remember that these are the operations. When two positive integers are added, sum will positive. When two negative integers are added, sum will negative. When one positive integer and one negative integer will added, so the sign will depends on the bigger number. Okay, the bigger number has which sign. So depends on the bigger number, the sign we can write the sign. Okay, remember that.